If you want to explore different scenarios, Excel offers two helpful what-if analysis tools. GoalSeek helps you determine what a variable needs to be in order to achieve a specific result. To use GoalSeek, navigate to Data and then What-if Analysis and select GoalSeek. Now I need to specify the final result I want, such as setting the annual salary in E10 to $60,000. Note, GoalSeek works with only one variable input value, meaning you can solve for only one variable in your formula. In this case, the annual salary formula equals the number of hours worked times the hourly rate times 52 weeks in a year. With GoalSeek, I can either solve for the hourly rate or the number of hours that I need to work in order to earn the $60,000 a year. So now I can indicate which variable I want to adjust to achieve the result. In this case, I want to find what hourly rate do I need in E5. After running GoalSeek, you will receive the calculated result, which in this scenario determined that I would need a $29 per hour job working 40 hours a week to make $60,000 a year. If you want to keep the results, click OK. Otherwise, click Cancel. Thanks so much for watching.